How to use GSM backup calling on the Urmet CallMe app. Add a phone number by tapping on the menu icon and then selecting My Places. Select a place. Then select Manage this place and continue to additional services. Tap on Receiving calls on telephone number to add a phone number. Once a number has been added, any calls made to the apartment will be received as GSM phone calls if internet is not available on the smartphone. IP Cloud GSM backup calls will be received like normal phone calls. Once answered, you will be able to talk to the person at the entry panel. To open the gate, bring up the keypad and dial 2. To open the door, dial 1 on the keypad. To end the call, hang up by pressing the red button.